What's up, guys? This is day two, teaching you how to day trade in 60 days. Today's concept is liquidity sweeps. So let's get right into it. So in the market, money rests above highs and below lows, to put it simply. And it's important to realize and see what price is doing at these levels to determine what price wants to do. So a liquidity sweep is price taking out highs, taking out lows, and looking to reverse. So right here, we have a good example right here. We have a low that's created right here. Right now I'm on the 15-minute time frame, so a little bit of a bigger time frame because with liquidity sweeps, there's internal structure and external structure. External, bigger picture, internal, smaller. You're going on smaller time frames looking for those smaller time frames trees. So we'll get more into that as the series goes on, but right now I'm just doing a broad concept, and I want this video to be part one as well. I definitely want to do some parts to this. So look, we have a low that's created right here, and then we have price dip down, and you see this candle. Now, I'm not big on candle patterns, but when you have a candle that looks like this, you can see that all price wanted to do was take out this level right here and then immediately push back higher. And as you can see, that's exactly what happens. We dip down below this level, we take out all those orders, we fill them, and look, price continues to pump. Okay, so it's important to be able to see price take out these levels and look for the reversal. In hindsight, this is easy, right? But in a live market situation, it gets a little bit more difficult. Like I'll mark it out right here. We have a high that gets taken out. And look what happens. We take out this high and we immediately start showing some signs of rejection, but ultimately price ends up disrespecting it, or not disrespecting it, but it just continues going up. So what happens here is it's not a liquidity sweep. There's more money for the market. There's more money that the market needs in order for price to reverse back down. So even though, yes, we did take out this level, price continued pumping. This isn't a liquidity sweep, right? So think of price grabbing orders and then looking to reverse. So this is another example right here. As you can see, price goes above this high and then immediately reverses, not immediately, but we get a slow trend to the downside, right? So this goes into trends as well, which we'll talk about, but there's three types of trends. I don't really want to make a whole video about this, so I'll just talk about it now. There's an uptrend, which is higher highs and higher lows. Just I'm gonna draw it out like this. This. There's consolidation, which just think of chop. Like I'm looking at this right here. Price takes out this level and it kind of just chops for a little bit, and then we get some delivery lower. But consolidation is like this. It's hard to trade consolidation. And then downtrend, which lower lows, lower highs. So right here, we take out this high right here. I mean, start showing signs to the downside. We chop a little bit, and then we ultimately end up delivering after taking out that level. So, it's important to be able to spot those. And then again, before we get the pump to the upside, we have a liquidity sweep right here. One thing that's important for you to understand is liquidity sweeps are everywhere throughout the market. They are everywhere. Liquidity is resting above highs and below lows. There's highs everywhere and there's lows everywhere. So you have to be important. It's important to switch between different time frames. It's important to be able to spot liquidity all throughout the market because it is all throughout the market. So right here, we have price take out this low right here. If you zoom in, you can see price goes up, takes out this low, and then we immediately get that pump higher to take out this high, and then ultimately take us where price wants to go, which is down here. So that is liquidity, and that's basically all we need to do. So if you're confused, watch this video again, go on the live market yourself, spot out these liquidity sweeps, spot it out, make sure you're able to see what is a liquidity sweep and what isn't. Like this, right here. This would not be a liquidity sweep because even though price came up, it didn't take out this high right here. So yeah, watch it until you understand it. I hope this helped. And yeah, day three tomorrow.